In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printers for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3v3 Plus is a robust 3D printer designed for both efficiency and precision, featuring a substantial build volume of 300 by 300 by 330 mm, which is 58% larger than previous Ender models. This allows users to print larger items in a single piece and batch process smaller parts, enhancing productivity and creative potential. The printer boasts impressive high-speed printing capabilities, reaching speeds of up to 600 mm per second, thanks to its advanced Core XZ and dual motor system, significantly reducing production time and costs. With upgraded XZ belt technology and a precise Z-axis designed to minimize wobbling, it ensures stable and smooth operations, even at high speeds. The Ender 3v3 Plus also simplifies setup with its auto-calibration features, allowing for quick assembly and easy adjustments. Additionally, its powerful Y-axis and Z-axis motors, combined with a sturdy design, facilitate the handling of larger prints while maintaining structural integrity and reducing vibrations. Overall, the Ender 3v3 Plus is an excellent choice for users seeking a high-performance 3D printing solution. Number 2. Original Prusa 3D Printer. The Original Prusa Mini Plus is a compact yet powerful 3D printer, measuring 15-inch dx15, wx13, and weighing 6 kg. It features a generous build volume of 7 inches by 7 inches by 7 inches, 18 by 18 by 18 centimeters, while retaining full functionality typically found in larger models. With advanced capabilities such as sensorless homing, automatic mesh bed calibration, and interchangeable nozzles, the Mini Plus ensures a seamless printing experience. Additional features include rapid printing technology enabled by Input Shaper and Pressure Advance, remote management capabilities via Prusa Connect, OTA firmware updates, and robust safety measures, all while accommodating a variety of materials, including advanced ones like PA11. The printer is open source and designed for easy maintenance, offering enthusiasts the freedom to modify and tinker as desired. Each package comes with a free sample of Prusa PLA and is available as a DIY kit for self-assembly, with a semi-assembled variant also offered. Number 3. FLASHFORGE Adventura 5M 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventura 5M is a cutting-edge 3D printer designed for efficiency and ease of use, featuring a compact design with dimensions of 15.83-inch dx14.29, wx17.64, and a weight of 23.8 pounds. This printer supports a variety of materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and carbon fiber-infused variants, and offers one-click automatic bed leveling for hassle-free setup and consistent adhesion. With a Core XY structure, it boasts impressive printing speeds of up to 600 mm per second and rapid acceleration, making it ideal for both rapid prototyping and mass production. The Adventura 5M also includes a high-flow nozzle for quick warm-up times, a dual-sided PEI platform for easy print removal, and multiple nozzle sizes to accommodate different project needs. Additionally, users can monitor and control their prints in real time through the FlashMaker mobile app, enhancing the overall printing experience with intelligent features and seamless operation. Number 4. Creality 3D Printer Ender 5 Plus. The Creality Ender 5 Plus is a robust 3D printer designed for both beginners and experienced users, featuring an aluminum construction that ensures durability. With dimensions of 24.88-inch dx24.37, wx26.22, and a weight of 40.1 pounds, it boasts an auto bed leveling sensor for precise measurement of the hotbed's tilt, significantly reducing setup time and material waste. The printer is equipped with dual lead screws on the Z-axis, providing stable support for the hotbed and minimizing wobbling, while dual Y-axis motors enhance movement smoothness and printing precision. User-friendly operation is facilitated by a touch color screen, and the printer comes partially assembled for easy setup, allowing users to familiarize themselves with its mechanics. Additionally, the inclusion of a tempered glass plate on the heated bed not only simplifies model removal but also enhances flatness and protection, making the Ender 5 Plus an excellent choice for quality 3D printing. Number 5. Tina 2 Mini 3D Printer. The Hefty 3D is a user-friendly beginner 3D printer made from polylactic acid (PLA) material, featuring a compact design with dimensions of 8.27 inch x 8.27 x 11.42 h and a lightweight of 2.58 kilograms. This fully assembled printer comes equipped with a 2.4-inch LCD display, a sample PLA filament roll, and a microSD card containing multiple model files, allowing users to dive straight into 3D printing. It boasts convenient features such as one-touch auto bed leveling for hassle-free setup, a pause and resume function that allows for recovery after power outages, and a high-precision printing mechanism supported by dual Z-axis and Y-axis rails. The removable magnetic build plate enhances model adhesion and simplifies the removal process. Ideal for home, school, or office use, the Hefty 3D also includes a friendly warranty offering 30 days of worry-free returns, 12 months of free repairs, and lifetime technical support, ensuring a supportive experience for users.